Snehal, you have taken PCM, you said, Snehal?
Yes.
PCM, you are in 11th standard. Which school?
UT Champions.
UT Champions. Okay. So you are a fall 26 student and you want to major in computer science, right? Krish, over to you.
Yeah, I'm Krish. I'm from Bangalore, and I'm doing an iOS, and I'm into sports. Yeah.
And what subjects do you have, Krish?
As of now, I'm doing an iOS syllabus, and that it's maths, mass comm, and it's few more subjects.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you're in NIOS, this is pretty flexible. You can take mix of subjects. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So he's a sports person, and you are a fall 25 or a fall 26 student for us?
I think 25.
Fall 25 because you're in 12th standard right now?
Yeah.
So you are a fall 25 candidate. And what would you like to major in?
I'm just doing SAT, just keep this thing. I mean, if I don't do good in my sport, then I can get into a college. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Got it. And then we have, so I know her previous to this class. So I think this is Sarah. Sarah, you have joined the class? Okay. So Sarah, we are introducing the students here and Ji sir.
Sir, first continue. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Please continue.
हमने बस introduction ही चालू किया है.
Yes.
So we come down to Sarah now. Sarah, please introduce yourself. So when you're introducing, again, share your name. Do let us know your class, subject, school you come from, and class, subject, school, and what would you like to major in if you have decided what you would want to do after 12th. Chalo, and be loud.
Hi, my name is I'm from KHR24. I stayed level and I've taken ACLB for my level. And I want to major in life sciences or something like humanities.
Right, and you are in your 11th standard, so you become a fall 26 candidate for us. Right, so we have 2 fall 26 and 2 fall 25 candidates. Sir, Krish is from Bangalore, and आपके पीछे Viva और Snehal हैं, and Sarah is on your right, sir. हमने बस अभी introduction.
Viva, I have met. Snehal, I think I met your parents. Yes, you've joined UT Champions. Yes, sir. Snehal, I'm meeting for the first time. Viva, I met, I did her counseling. Krish, I'm meeting for the first time. Hi, Krish, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
So I understand I have talked to your mother on telephone. I understand you are a tennis player?
Yeah, yeah.
So, sir, I was referring to Krish when we were talking in the morning.
Ji, I came to.
Chaliye. Very nice, very nice. So
Okay,
you please continue with the agenda, sir. You please continue with your agenda.
Yeah. So now I'll take 10 minutes. We'll do a quick introduction to this course, and then I'll hand it over to Professor Uday Paliwal, who would then take this first SAT session. So like I said, more than 90% of your sessions would be online in classroom mode. There could be close to 10% sessions where we would do some online sessions and we would meet. So let me start.
Sir, आपने उल्टा बोल दिया. 90% would be offline.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. So 90% would be offline and 10% would be online, where we'll do some selected sessions online. So आपके 90% classes offline रहेगी in the classroom. Okay, so we have Tanush. Tanush, class timings are from 10, और तुम हमारे पुराने student हो, so I hope you would remember that next time when you join in. So please strictly follow the class start time. It helps everyone. So there's this customary introduction, Tanush, which we just finished, but I would want you to introduce yourself to everyone. Do share your name once again and talk about your subjects you have taken, what class you are in, which school do you study from, and any major that you have decided you want to pursue after 12. So.
So my name is Tanush Reddy. I'm currently studying in Fiji integrated program in with RAN Sanpada, and yeah, I've taken the subjects PCM. I'm going to write JEE.
Right. And you are in your 12th standard.
Yes.
What do you want to do after 12th? What
After
major?
12th, I'm going to write both JEE as well as SAT right now. So I'll take the option that I get best.
Okay,
If I
so
take SAT, I'll probably take like finance as my major.
finance as your major.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And you are a fall 25 student. So just like Viva, who wants to do management, finance, you are also looking for something like that.
Yes, sir.
चलिए, so I'll share a small PPT with you. मैं एक छोटी सी PPT share करता हूँ. Let me share this and quickly take you through this orientation session. So this is SAT August attempt that we are targeting, SAT August 2024. I'll try and cover a small introduction into SAT, what technology platforms we would use, your weekly timetable, some student information section, faculty profile, what support services, extra help you will get outside the classroom. ये सब मैं आपके साथ share करता हूँ. And if you have any question and answer. So first of all, we are talking about UT, which is ready now for digital SAT. So SAT would happen in digital mode. This means that you will be required to carry your devices to test center and you will connect with test center's Wi-Fi. You will have an app pre-loaded on your devices and you will take that. So ये सब कुछ computer based होने वाला है. So this has become more computer adaptive now, where your response to module 1 in a particular section would decide your questions coming up in the next module. So SAT will have two sections, guys. The first section would be English reading, writing, which will be for 54 questions to be done in 64 minutes to be precise. The second section would be math, 44 problems in 70 minutes. All questions are multiple choice questions with one option, correct? Overall, this is the timeline that you get. Each section is further divided into two modules. So, जब reading writing का section आएगा, first you will face module 1 of 27 problems, and then you will have module 2 of reading writing with 27 problems. Then a break. Then you will have maths ka module 1, 22 problems. Then maths ka module 2 with another set of 22 questions. Your score would range between 400 points to 1600 points. 800 for English reading writing and 800 points for mathematics. So minimum one can score is 400, maximum is 1600 points. Okay, questions are multiple choice. There is no negative marking. There is no penalty for getting your answers wrong. But, you know, there is a catch here. If we get more number of wrongs in our module 1, you know, module 2 of that respective section could be easier and that can impact our score. So though negative marking is not there, it is highly recommended that we look at accuracy of our attempts. And it is computer based. At UT, we will cover the entire scope of SAT. We will do the entire maths portion. We'll do entire verbal portion, reading, writing, grammar, everything. You will have chapter test. As we progress in the course, you will have chapter test and you will have full portion mock SATs, digital mock SATs in this course before you take the real SAT. Okay, so I've done the introduction. I go on to the next part, which is technology partner. So we'll use Zoom for all our classroom purpose in case you are attending it online. So you'll have that freedom to do it online or through classroom. If you're doing online, we'll do it through Zoom. Otherwise, Kharghar branch is always on and you can attend your lectures coming down to Kharghar branch. There's a platform called as UT Udan. This platform would be used to conduct all your tests. So all your chapter test, all your mock test, ये सब कुछ as per SAT format होगा, digitally होगा और इस platform पे होगा. We'll enable you for this platform. What do you get at UT branch? You will get for the classroom facility. People who had joined before 10 a.m. उनको उनका study material pack मिल गया होगा. Sara, you could collect it in case you don't have. If you have it, fine. For Krish, this would be couriered soon. And Krish, you should be receiving it within a week's time. We'll courier you your study material back. Tanush, if you're attending classes from Kharghar, you could come down to branch and collect the material. But because you have done this course earlier with us and you're repeating this course, you could continue with the same study material pack. Okay, so Zoom process kya hai? There is an orientation onboarding process. My team must have got in touch with you where they would have taken your email ID and they would register you on Zoom, so that rather they'll not register you, but they would want to know if you're doing it on Zoom. They may take an email ID, and through that email ID, you will always connect to the fixed Zoom ID. जैसे Krish, आप जिस ID से आज connect कर रहे हो, the ID you're connecting from today, that same Zoom ID would be used for all your classes throughout the course. In case there is a change in an exception condition, we will let you know. But otherwise, this will be the fixed Zoom ID. On given time, you should log in, get into that Zoom ID and attend your classes. आपका Zoom ID same रहने वाला है throughout this course. Coming down to the test process, I think the test starts from 3rd week onwards. Chapter test, जैसे जैसे हम portion complete करते जाएंगे, tests would start. There will be an orientation class on how do you take test on UT Udan portal. I guess this Saturday, Mrs. Shruti Ranade would do a 15 minutes orientation, and then she will enable all of you on UT Udan, where you could then, start taking the Sunday test by using your account details. So this is how you would take test on UT Udan. Uska ek orientation hoga this coming Saturday. Let's go on to your weekly timetable. So today is the orientation session. Your regular classes also starts from today. Like I said, right after this class, we'll have SAT maths. We'll have 2 days in a week when we will do SAT classes, 2 hours per day. That makes 4 hours per week of engagement for SAT preparation. Classes kaise kaise hongi? Though we are starting on Sunday, let's say in that week, your first class would be on Saturday, 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. in the evening. We would do your SAT classes. Mostly this would be an English class. And Sunday timings are 10 a.m. to 12 noon. This is your SAT math class. So this is how we would do your classes. Saturday, 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. and Sundays, 10 to 12. This is how we would do the classes. All tests would open on Sundays. So all UT tests for SAT, Sundays would be devoted. Today's first Sunday, 3rd Sunday onwards, your testing would start. In a flexible manner, you can write your test. Test would open at 8:30 in the morning. They'll close by 11:30 in the night. So make sure that you write your test in this time duration whenever you get time, because I see some of you are with IIT JEE preparation or medical preparation, or you're doing some other courses. You'll have your UT classes also. So you decide when is that you will want to write test. Once you open the test, it is compulsory for you to finish it. Test ka nature kaisa hai? Each test would be for 30 minutes, and you can have 1 or more tests on a given Sunday. Okay, so once you start writing a test, which is of 30 minutes, you must finish it. If you don't finish and end it in between, it will get auto-submitted. So make sure you write your Sunday test on a regular basis. In case you miss your test, you will get reminders, and your parents will get reminders that you have missed the test. If you have missed the test, you can still take the test in late attempt fashion. The late attempt policy says whatever marks you get, we would deduct 10% of it. So avoid that habit unless and otherwise it is absolutely necessary for you to take that test in a late fashion. Otherwise, take it on time. Whatever portion that you will have in test, that would be covered at least a week in advance. All tests would happen digitally only on the UT Udan portal. Coming down to timeline, ये सब कैसा होने वाला है? So April 2024, we are starting with SAT prep. August 1st week onwards, the course would be done and we go into mock SATs and doubt solving. August का जो last Saturday है, that becomes your first attempt if you have not written SAT earlier. So this is when you write your SAT first attempt. October, November goes into TOEFL preparation, TOEFL, which is an English exam. So this is part of your SAT package. You need not pay anything extra. So this is part of the package. October, November, we do preparation and you take the exam. In case you are a Fall 25 student, this is absolutely must that you must prepare and take your exam. If you are a Fall 26 student, you have an option. आप चाहो तो TOEFL अभी करके खत्म कर दो. Otherwise, you will have one more shot at TOEFL. So you'll have option. अगर आप Fall 26 वाले हो, तो Fall 25, Viva, Krish, and Tanush. In case you have not done TOEFL earlier, this is when we'll get you ready and you will take your exam. September to December 24 is the application period for Fall 25 students. This is an add-on package. You'll have to subscribe. You'll have to take this, enroll into this, where we'll help you with the entire application process, right from profile making, mapping, to university shortlisting, essay writing, LOR writing, all writing work, getting the applications filed, and getting an admit. So ये पूरा काम होगा September to December. December 24 to March 25, people who are writing Fall 26, or sorry, students who are Fall 26 category, they could take their second attempt either in December 24 or March 25. You can, like Tanush is doing, you could repeat the course, selected or entire part of it. You don't have to pay again anything extra for that, with the following batch, which would be targeting December 24 or March 25, whatever suits you. आपका second attempt इस समय आ सकता है. Taking SAT second time is a very normal practice, and globally people do it more than twice. So ये कुछ अलग नहीं है, बच्चों को 2 बार देना ही पड़ता है SAT. January, Feb, March 25 is your all school or board exam. Jan to March 25, if you are a Fall 25 student, you start getting your admit decisions. आपको पता चल जाएगा आप कहाँ land करने वाले हो, what options you have. May 25, Fall 26 students, which is in this case Nehal and Sarah. You get one more chance. You could prepare for TOEFL here and take your exam in May, June. So if you are doing Fall 26, आपके पास एक और option है. May, June, this should have been 25. ये एक slide I think गलत है, मैं इसको भी यहाँ पे skip करता हूँ. So ये TOEFL May 25 तक हमने इसको decide कर लिया. Let's go on to your login things. So you could log into UT website and there's a student login. On that login, you could check your timetable, and कोई भी update होगा, change होगा, it would be there on your login. All your test informations would be there. Test timetable would be there. You will get your model answers. You will get test performance report, attendance. ये सब आपको website पे मिलेगा. Website is universaltutorials.in. Your parents would get a login set, and you will also have your own unique login set. In case of any doubt, please note this very important email ID, utinfodesk@gmail.com. कोई भी आपको academic doubt है, non-academic questions हैं, queries हैं, you need help, you could write to this, and you will get back to hear from us. चलिए, all UT timetable, lecture, test, all this is there on website. All your reports, attendance, lecture, performance, ये सब आपको उस पे मिलेगा. Coming down to the faculty profile, so Anubhav sir, he would take some quants and some English portion. I would do some quants and English portion with you. We'll have Professor Deepshikha. She would do English writing, grammar portions with you. We'll have Professor Nandini Bhattacharya. She may do some writing sections with you. And Professor Uday Paliwal, जिनका आज session है, he would do maths with you. So all in all, the team of 5 people would help you in this entire course. Cumulatively, if you look into the experience that we guys have, this would be more than 100 years of SAT, GRE, CAT, IPM, various competitive aptitude training experience that we have within us. So there's a very competent team out there to help you. Coming down to support services, this is what your SAT batch code is, you are a C1 batch. You must have been added to a WhatsApp group जिसमें ये C1 होगा. आप देखिएगा, in case you are not, then you should talk to your course coordinator, Mrs. Surji. She will do that. This WhatsApp group, all our lectures, including this one, is getting recorded. और ये सब YouTube पे record हो रहा है. You will have access to the link where in case you want to revise, you have missed something, आपको कुछ doubt clear करने हैं, or before doubt session you want to see what was taught and then you can come into doubt session, ये सब YouTube पे you could watch. For some other reason, if you have missed any of SAT lectures, you could watch it. इसका link आपके WhatsApp group पे रहेगा. Lecture test feedback, we will do these surveys on a very regular basis, and you could participate in them about professor, study material testing. So we would do that. For all your admission and technical need, you could contact Mrs. Surjit, who was also helping you when you were taking admission. For all your academic need, you should contact me. I'll try and help you out. हमारे सारे contact numbers आपको WhatsApp group में मिलेंगे. We are part of that WhatsApp group where we have added you. It looks something like this. इसमें अनुभव सर का number, branch coordinator, recorded links, extra lecture. In case you have missed, ये जो last link आपको दिख रहा है, it would be there in your WhatsApp group. In case you have missed some lecture or you have doubt and you want one-on-one session with any one of us, you could request that. आपके convenient time को, faculty के convenient time को match करके, we will plan extra lectures for you and you can avail that facility. So with this, I come down to end of the structured presentation and my talk. In case you have any questions, feel free to ask me, ask us. Anubhav sir is there, Uday sir hai, main hu. Feel free to ask. That's all from my side. All the best and thank you.
Any questions at this stage? Any doubts? Anybody has? Krish, Sanush? Okay, so I asked how you would receive an email of your user ID and password. You should go onto the website. That's where you will check the timetable. All of it. If you have not received, I would be to. We've sent an email just now to everybody. So all of you would receive that email ID and password. You guys will get a hard copy also in 2 minutes. So then you can set your user ID and password. Whatever that user ID password would work on website where you see the timetable, where you see what is the test portions. Second, when you want to take a test, then also you log in into the same portal. That portal is a sub-portal by name UT UDAN that has been explained. Understood? And if you have any doubts, then WhatsApp group में आपका number add होना चाहिए. अगर WhatsApp group में number add नहीं हुआ है, C1 batch, then you need to contact Surjit. She will add it up. Make sure it's added. WhatsApp के description box में आपको हम सब के numbers मिलेंगे. So whenever you have a query, you cannot write in that WhatsApp group. It's closed for you. You can only react. But if you have a query, then send an email or talk to Surjit. Okay? You cannot write on that WhatsApp. Chaliye sir, we are done with this.
So thank you, Uday sir, first of all, for letting us in inside your class. आपके 30 minute हमने ले लिए. So, and thank you students. Do study hard, study well. SAT is a very interesting course. There's no mugging up required. You will enjoy. I'm sure you will enjoy this course. ये आपके JEE या NEET जैसा नहीं होगा, but बहुत conceptual और interesting course है. So, okay, all the best. Uday sir, over to you. आप board share कर लीजिएगा sir.
Yes sir, thank you sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Good morning. I'm the Paliwal. Okay, I will take your most of the session. I will take for my QUANT session. Okay, so we have split or divided the complete syllabus in 15 sessions of QUANT. Okay, so I think you can see the syllabus in your volume. We call this as volume. Okay. So I think Chris, soon you will get the volume. Okay. They will courier you. Okay. I think within 2 to 3 days you will get the volume. Okay. For you, I will share that PPT or that PDF. Okay, so you can follow that for the first lecture. So we have divided the whole complete part into 15 sessions. Okay. So today I am going to cover the first session, that is number system. Okay, that is important topic. Okay, so in this I will cover number system, rational and irrational numbers, taking indices, okay, and some linear quotient, okay, linear equations. So I think you have studied in class 9th and 10th about the numbers. Okay, so how many types of numbers we have? Anyone? Hmm? Okay, rational number, irrational numbers, whole number, natural numbers, any other integers. Okay. Chris, any other classification for numbers? Tanush, do you know classification of number? Basic classification. Okay. You said कि numbers are whole number, it can be rational number, it can be irrational number, it can be natural numbers. All are real numbers only. Okay, so we have real numbers and imaginary number. Okay. So as you are in class 11th and 12th, I think you must know applied applied method. You are from commerce background, so you didn't study the imaginary number. Okay. You have normal method, standard method. So we have two types of numbers. One is real numbers, another is imaginary numbers. Okay. So the numbers, whatever you have studied till class 10th, all are real numbers. Okay. So in this we have whole number, natural number, okay, real number के अंदर real number, irrational numbers, rational numbers all comes under real numbers. Okay. In imaginary numbers like that we have any other number, any imaginary number, iota or I. Okay. Let's say 2i, we have 2i, 3i, okay, I minus I. Okay, all are imaginary numbers. Okay, we'll cover this topic in the complex number. Okay, we'll study deeply about the imaginary numbers. Okay, so in real number also we have two types of number. One is rational number, another is irrational number. Okay, Chris, can you tell me what are rational numbers? Unmute. What are rational numbers? Do you know? Any idea? Chris? Chris, unmute. Chris, am I audible? Okay, Tanush, can you tell what are rational numbers?
So I don't know the exact definition, but it was something like if a number is divided in the form P by Q,
Okay.
and there was something that it had something to do with zero.
We have conditions for P and Q. What are those? You know, sir?
Q
Okay.
cannot be zero.
Okay, very good. For rational numbers, if I say a number can be represented in the form of P by Q. So we have Q cannot equals to 0. Any other condition? P and Q are co-primes. Okay, very good. P and Q are co-primes. Okay, then one more condition is there. So we have two conditions. Q cannot be equals to 0. P and Q are co-primes. One more conditions there. P and Q are integers. Can be negative also. Okay. So P and Q are integers. Got it? Clear? So Q cannot be equals to why Q cannot be equals to 0. If any number divided by 0 will become undefined, okay, or infinity. Yes. Okay. What do you mean by P and Q are co-prime numbers? What are co-prime numbers? With SCF is only one. Okay. It divided by itself. Okay. What are prime numbers? One number. Okay. So what is the smallest prime number? 2. What about 1?
It's either
Or okay. Okay. So can I say if a numbers are prime numbers, they are co-primes? Is it? If numbers are prime numbers, they are co-prime. Okay. Can I say if for a co-prime numbers should be a prime number?
not necessary.
Not necessary. Okay. If I'm saying 6 and 3, 6 and let's say 7, are they co-prime?
Yes.
They don't have any common factor, okay, except 1. But 6 is not a prime. Got it? Clear? Got it? So co-prime doesn't mean the number should be a prime number. Okay? Clear? Okay. But if they are prime, they are co-prime. Clear? Chris, any doubt? Got the
Yes, I got it.
Okay, very good, Tanush. So if a number is represented in the form of P by Q, we can say it will be a rational number. Okay. For example, we have 2 by 3. Okay. 4 by 6. 4 by 7. Minus 1 by 3. Clear? Got it? Okay. So if we cannot represent it in the form of P by Q, it will be an irrational number. What about fraction? Decimal. Let's say we have 1.32352. Is it a rational number or irrational? This one? Rational number. What type of fraction it is? Decimal places it is. What type of number it is?
So
Terminating decimal.
Yeah.
Is it? Okay. It is terminating. Okay. So it is a terminating decimal. So if we remove this point, we'll get 1000. So now we can say it is a rational number because we can represent in the form of equation. Clear? Okay. If we have a number like 1.3526752 up to infinite, so this is a type of non-terminating, non-recurring. Okay, or you can say non-repeating. We are not getting any pattern. Okay, so this will be a rational or irrational? Irrational. Clear? What about this 1.323232? So this is a non-terminating, recurring or repeating decimal. Okay, so it will be a rational. Got it? Clear? So in short, can I say if a number is a rational number, it can be P by Q form. Okay. डेसिमल की बात करेंगे तो कैसा होगा डेसिमल टर्मिनेटिंग then if it is non-terminating it should be a recurring. Okay, non-terminating, recurring or repeating. Irrational, non-terminating, okay, non. Clear, Tanush? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that means for non-terminating recurring decimal, we can represent this in the form of P by Q. Krish, unmute. Which type of decimal it is?
Oh, so I can't see the board. I can see the classroom screen. I don't know why.
Tanush, आपको दिख रहा है?
So
Chris, can you rejoin? Okay, exit and rejoin.
Yes.
It's already pinned. Yeah, Chris, now it's visual. Chris,
Hello, sir. Can you hear me now? Sir?
yes, yes, Chris.
Yes, sir.
It's visible now.
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me what type of fraction decimal it is? 1.32573257.
Is it recurring?
Non-terminating recurring
Yeah.
decimal. Okay. Okay. Mitanshi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So we have started the session on number system. Okay, we just discussed about the number, classification number, rational number, and irrational. Okay, 1.575757. Okay, Tara, can you tell which type of decimal it is?
It's terminating and so it's
Terminating and recurring. You? Terminating case में we are not, we don't have recurring or not. Recurring means to terminate हो ही रहा है. Okay, so directly we can say it's a terminating. Okay, don't see the pattern and say it's a non-terminating recurring case. Okay, it's a terminating case. Got it? Clear? Okay, so this is a small introduction of rational number and irrational. Okay, so can I say root 2 is a rational or irrational? Irrational number. Root 7, irrational number. Root 16, rational number. Okay, so it's equals to 4. Okay, so don't by seeing itself can put as though directly saying it's a irrational number. Okay, it should not be a perfect square. Okay, then only it will be a irrational. So we have some operations. Do you know what are, I think, odd number, even number? No need to discuss. Okay, so if we add two odd numbers, the result will be odd or even? Even number. Okay, you can take an example, 3 plus 3. What about odd plus even? Odd only, 2 plus
Odd.
1 is okay, odd. Even plus even?
Even.
Okay, clear? What are the factors of this 10? 1, 2, 5 and 10 itself. Okay, so how many factors we have? 4 factors. Okay, if I say convert this into a prime factor, then it will be 2 into 5 only. Got it? Clear? So let's say we have a number 420. Now, can anyone tell how many factors we have?
6, 7, 14, 2, 10, 1.
How many factors? So you need to write all the factors and count it. Is it? Okay, so we have one method for this. Okay, just anyone can tell what are the prime factors for this? Convert this into prime factor.
5.
Powers. Convert करना था prime factor में. How we convert? 420. उससे करते थे ना? Okay, just tell me the powers for that prime numbers. 2, 7. I want prime factorization for this 420.
So can I?
Yes, sure.
2 square
Yes.
into 3 raised to 1
Okay.
into 5 raised to 1
Okay.
into 7 raised to 1.
Same. So this is the prime factor for 420. Okay. So what we have to do is, if a number is n equals to a power p power a into q power b into r power c. Okay, it can be s or all other factor also prime. So number of factors will be equals to number of factors equals to, we'll add 1 in the powers of the prime numbers. Okay, and multiply it. A plus 1 times b plus 1 times c plus 1. So these are the number of factors. Okay, so for this case, number of factors will be 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Got it? Here, so this will be 3 into 2 into 2 into number 20. Here, so we have to add 1 in the powers. Power में add किया and multiply it. Clear? So we can cross check for this also. 10, I can write 2 into 5. Power is 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is 4. So we have 4 factors for it. Clear? Okay, no need to write all the factors for 420. Okay, so we need to write 24 factors for this. Got it? So this is the formula. Number of factors. If a number n is represented in the form of prime factor as p power a, where p, q, r are, what are those? P, q, r prime numbers. Okay, p, q, r are prime numbers. Clear? Where is Tanush? Tanshi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Tanshi, you are in class 11th or 10th, 12th?
Me?
Yes.
I am in class 11.
You are from Navi Mumbai or
No, I am from Navi Mumbai.
which school?
DAV Kharghar.
Done? So next we have linear equation. So let's say we have a equation 2x plus 5 by equals to 10. So how many solution we have for this equation? So this is a linear equation in how many variables? 2 variables. Linear means power is 1, variables power is 1. So how many solutions we have for this? Or we can take a simple example. Let's say we have x plus y equals to 10. So how many real solutions we have for this equation? One for each. Okay. Can you tell? Answer. Anyone you can take.
5 and 5 or 6 and 4.
So you are seeing only one solution. Huh? How many solution it can have? How many x and y pairs are exist for which will satisfy this equation?
More than 10.
More than 10. Infinite solutions. Okay, so we have infinite solutions for this. For example, if I'm saying x value, I'm taking x value is 0. So what will be the value of y? 10. So I'm taking 1, so it will be 9. Taking 2 will be 10. I can take negative also. Okay, if I'm saying minus 1, so it will be 11. So we can take in fraction also. Got it? Okay, so there can be infinite solution. I can take at 200. So this will become, what will be the value of y?
Minus 190.
Minus 190. Okay, so we have infinite number of solutions. Okay, so any equation, any linear equation in two variables has infinite solution. Okay, clear? Got it? Do you know what graph it represents? Linear equation two variables. It will represent a
Single line.
straight line. Okay, straight line. Okay. So how many points are there in the straight line? Infinite points. Okay. Okay. What are those actually? These points. So this is the equation for this line. Is it? We will study that also. Okay. So this will represent the equation for this line. That means a relation between x and y. Okay. For which these all points lies on the line will satisfy this relation. Okay. So the relation in x and y. Okay. इसके क्या होगा? हर एक point, each point will satisfy that relation. वो relation क्या होगा हमारे पास? Equation of the line or equation of any curve. Got it? Clear? So we have infinite points and each point will satisfy the given condition. Clear? Okay, so let's say we have 2, 8. Here we have 0, 10. Here we have 10, 0. So all these points will lies on the given. Clear? So we have infinite number of solution for this line. Clear? So how will you get this solution? Okay, so this was simple. If I value put here, I will get the second value. Let's say we have 3x plus 2y equals to 10. Okay, so it convert this into a single variable. I will get the value of one variable. Let's say I will say 2y will equals to 10 minus 3x. Okay, so y will become 10 minus 3x upon. We will put any value of x. Okay, corresponding to that, I will get a value of y. Okay, so we'll get a pair of x and y. So we have infinite. Okay, क्योंकि x की कितनी values put कर सकते हैं? Infinite values put करेंगे. So get the infinite values of. Okay, so ये याद रखना. Linear equation in two variables has infinite number of solutions. Okay, what about linear equation in one variable? How many solution it has? Only one solution. Okay, x value will be 1. So x will be equals to minus y by. Clear? Indices की property have you studied, everyone? If I'm saying if I'm having 2 power 3 e power 5, so can I write 2 power 50? Yes. Clear? If I'm having a number e power 0, what is the value? 1. Okay. 0 to the power 0. 0 or 1.
It would be 1.
It can be 1, it can be 0 also, na? If I'm saying 0 power 5, so what will be the answer? 0. If I'm saying 2 to the power 0, so answer will be 1. It is having both the condition 0 to the power something and something to the power 0. Got it? That's why this term is not defined. Okay, this is not defined. Okay. I think आप पढ़ रहे हो बेटा JEE की preparation का ना indefinite terms. Clear? If I'm saying I have 1 upon 2 power 5, so it will be 2 power minus 5. Okay. So we'll do some questions from the book. Yes, I'm sharing the book for you. Okay. Tansi, do you have that volume book? You have Tanshi. Do you have this book with you?
No, I don't have this one.
No, sir.
I'm sharing the PDF. Give me a minute. Okay, Mitanshi, Krish, visual है, Sirori file आपके?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can start with the question number 3. Okay. Just try this. While that I will not directly discuss the question. Okay, I will give you time to try this question. If n and p are integers greater than 1, okay, we have question number 3. N and p are integers greater than 1. If p is a factor of both, n plus 3 and n plus 10. Okay, so what is the value of p? I want the value of p, for which p is a factor of n plus 3, n plus 10, n and p are both are integers greater than 1. P is actually a common factor for n plus 3 and n plus 10. Okay. So we can put the values of n. Okay. So if I'm saying n should be greater than 1, so I can take n equals to 2. So for this n plus 3 and n plus 10. What will be the value of n plus 3, 5 and 12? Do we have any common factor in this? No, we don't have. Okay, let's for n equals to 3, it will be 6 and 13. Do we have any common factor? No. Okay. N equals to 4. So we have 7 and 14. Do we have any common factor?
Yes.
Okay. 7. Okay. Up so 7 will whole. Okay. No problem. So we have a common factor that is 7. Okay. And P is the common factor. So P will be equals to 7. Got it? Clear? Okay. Or
Yes,
we
sir.
can subtract these values. N plus 10 minus n plus 3. We'll get directly the answer. Okay. So the difference will define the common factor. Clear? Chris, any doubt?
No, sir.
Tanush, switch on your camera. Next question is question number 5. Try question number 5. When 15 is divided by positive integer k, the remainder is 3. For how many different values of k is this true? Three values. 3 is the correct answer. If we are getting remainder as 3, so can I say if we remove the remainder, number should be completely divisible. Okay, if I'm saying if I'm dividing 7 by 2, okay, so we'll get a remainder as 1. If we remove 1 from 7, that will be 6. So 6 will completely divisible by 2. Remainder means के extra part ना. Okay, so क्या बोल रहा remainder is 3. So if I subtract 3, what will we get? 12. Okay, and 12 is divided by k, is it? Okay, so what are the possible values of k? That means factors. ठीक है? Okay, क्या क्या आ जाएंगे? इस केस की बात करूं, है ना? क्या क्या आ जाएंगे? फैक्टर 1 आ सकता है, 2 आएगा, 3 आएगा, 4 आएगा, 6 आएगा, देन 12 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, अभी ध्यान से देखो, देयर कैन बी 6 वैल्यूज, बट एक प्रॉब्लम है इन वैल्यूज के अंदर, पता है वो कोई? हाँ, वहाँ 3 हमें रिमाइंडर नहीं मिलेगा. देखो 1 से करूंगा तो फिर क्या होगा? 12 कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल, 15 भी तो कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल हो जाएगा ना उस केस में, तो 1 कैन नॉट बी पॉजिटिव. 2 की बात करेंगे 15/2, व्हाट आई विल गेट? रिमाइंडर एज 1. वी वांट रिमाइंडर एज 3. ओके, 3 से डिवाइड करूंगा तो completely divisible हो जाएगा. Got it? तो ये भी नहीं है. 4 से होगा तो ये 4, 6 and 12. So we have three values 4, 6 and 12. Got it? Clear? अगर 6 ऑप्शन में दिखता है तो that will not be answer. तो आपको क्रॉस चेक भी करना है. Okay, I don't want to divide and cross check. Why can't say that these are not values? Okay, why? I don't want to test all these things. By directly seeing, how can I say 1, 2, 3 are not possible?
If there are numbers closer to 6, like greater than 12 but less than. A smaller numbers. So
Smaller than remainder. Okay, clear? If I'm saying if I'm dividing some number by some number, ठीक है? तो remainder should be lesser than the divisor. Is it? अगर divisor से छोटा है तो क्या हो जाएगा? तभी पॉसिबल है. अगर डिवाइजर से बड़ा होगा तो फिर से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा ना. डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो रिमाइंडर शुड बी लेसर देन क्या होना चाहिए? डिवाइजर होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे देखो क्या हो रहा है, ये बड़ा नंबर्स छोटे हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, डिवाइजर क्या है? छोटा हो रहा है. इक्वल भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. इक्वल पॉसिबल होता तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है रिमाइंडर क्या आ जाता? 0 आ जाता उस केस में. तो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग 0 इन द केस ऑफ 3. क्लियर? ओके, गॉट इट. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. This time, question number 6. If A and B are odd integers, which of the following must also be an odd integer? They want odd integer. Just check. Wednesday. Fourth option. Correct. आगे बेटा आपका. Chris, did you get the answer?
No, sir.
Tanush? No? Mitanshi?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? What will be the answer? Option
It
D.
would be D, option D.
Okay. In this case, let's say we have this odd number, so odd plus 1 will become even, and even multiplied by odd. What I will get? Even number. In this case, odd plus 1 is even. Even plus odd is always an odd number. No? Okay. In this case also, if we subtract also, I will get the odd number. So we have second and third option D will be the answer. Got it? Clear? किसी को कोई doubt होगा तो पूछ लिया करो, ठीक है? Then question number 7. Question number 7. You don't think एसएटी में बहुत हाई फाई है और पॉइंट्स पूछने वाले हैं, ठीक है? कि जैसे ये प्रिपरेशन कर रही जेई की, इफ यू सी कंपेयर ना तो कहेंगे नहीं ये तो बहुत है ही नहीं उसके, सर क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं तो बच्चों वाला पढ़ा रहे हैं, ठीक है? बट दे विल आस्क दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. मेन थिंग इज एक्यूरेसी. ओके, उस एग्जाम प्रेशर में परफॉर्म करना वो डिफरेंट टास्क. Tanush, try question number 7. Example भी देके रखना हम लोगों ने. Box that symbol 16 equals to 3 because there are 3 different pairs of positive material whose multiplication is 16. So we want that symbol 36. How many pairs can be possible? Five. Very good. Tanshi, Tanush, Chris, answer है. $36. I can write 1 into 36. ठीक है. Then 2 into 18. Then 3 into 12. Then 4 into 9 आता है. Then 6 into 6. Okay. अच्छा ये order अगर change करेंगे तो they are considering as one pair. That's why they have given the example. Okay. Example में देखो लोग ने 1 into 8 sorry 16 into 1 को 1 into 16 में consider नहीं किया, एक ही pair किया. ठीक है. Clear? So we have 5 such number of pairs. तो इसकी value कितनी हो जाएगी मेरे पास 5. Clear? Got it? Chris? Clear? Tanush?
Yes, sir.
Nancy? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, we have question number 30. 30. Question number 30. Three more than twice a number is equals to 10. What is the 4 times the number? X equals to 7 by 2. We want 4 times of x. 4 into 7 by 2. Again?
Yes, sir.
Anu's done. Krish done. So they are saying 3 more than the twice of a number. So let's say number is x. So twice of x is 2x plus 3, that should be equals to 10. So we'll get the x value as 7 by 2. And they want 4 times of the numbers. 4 times of x will be equals to 40. Clear, Krish?
Yeah.
Okay. So next we have question number 31. 31st question number. For the first was charges $50. After that, $20 per hour for the first clause. After the first clause, which of the following expresses the amount of dollar equal charges if it is taking X hours to edit the manuscript? C.
It's greater than 2,000. Is the next charge would be plus 20x.
50 plus 20x. Okay. The answer is थोड़ा क्वेश्चन को आप फिर से पढ़ना और तब सॉल्व करना. आंसर इज नॉट. Anyone? पड़ गया कहाँ गलती है तेरे?
Answer is B.
Yes, B. Correct. Very good. Chris, try करो बेटा. Answer है तो बोलो. Tanush. Actually, X is the total hours. In that, 2 hours is also included. So remaining hours for this charges will be X minus 2 hours. Did you get? Let's say, for example, you had a taxi, okay, or an auto, okay, for 10 kilometer. Clear? So for the first 2 kilometer, this total is 10. Charges are, let's say, 30 rupees. Okay. After that, the charges are, let's say, 5 rupees per kilometer. Clear? तो टोटल के लिए अगर मैं बात करूं तो ये तो चार्जेस आएगा 30 रुपीस, लेकिन प्लस बाकी रिमेनिंग ये चार्ज दैट विल बी एप्लीकेबल फॉर रिमेनिंग 8 किलोमीटर, नॉट फॉर द 10. Got it? The total time is x r. So remaining time जिस पे ये चार्ज लगे that will be x minus 2 का. तो ऑलरेडी 2 hours के लिए तो हम चार्ज दे चुके हैं, उसके लिए डबल चार्ज थोड़े देंगे ना. ओके तनुष, I answer. Chris, did you get the answer? No? Okay.
So could you explain me this again?
Yeah, sure. See here. So the total time is x hours. Got it? So for the first 2 hours, charges is $50. Clear? So we need to pay that $50 plus $20 per hour. So for how many hours we have? So we have total x hours. Out of that 2 hours is already we have paid for 2 hours. So remaining hours will be x minus 2. Got it? For 1 hour, we have to pay $20. So for x minus 2 hours, we have to pay x minus 2 times of 20. Clear? Okay. So open this bracket. So this will be 20x minus 40. So 20x 40 minus 50 minus 40 will be. Okay. So option B will be that. Now, okay, Krish.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो लैंग्वेज पढ़ना जरूरी है क्वेश्चन को, ठीक है. That comes to question number 33. So we have one table. We can directly check from the option, है ना? Option से check करो कौन satisfy कर रहा है.
Sir, answer is D.
Yes, correct. D is the correct answer. Tanush,
Sir, D.
D. Chris, could you please adjust your camera, Chris? Okay. Tanush, answer. Chris, answer.
Yeah, sir. Same.
Did you get option D?
Yes.
Can we move to next? Question number 35.
Sir,
Yes,
option is D.
D, last option. Correct. और आएगा किसी का? दिया गया. We can assume the present tense is XA. Okay.
Huh? So I'm not getting D.
D.
Yeah.
Yeah, D is the correct answer. No, not this is not the option actually. I'm saying let the present tense is A. Okay. Everyone get the answer?
Okay.
Chris, done?
Yeah. Yeah.
No need to discuss. Beta आपका आ गया? Then comes to question number 44.
Sir, answer is C.
Correct. Very good. Okay. Krish, done. Chris, did you get the answer?
Or not.
You're trying?
Yeah.
Dhanush?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आपका बेटा आ गया? धनुष आपका है? Done? हो गया? Discuss करना है? Dhanush, do you want me to discuss?
No, sir.
Next, question number 49. मैं एक्चुअली सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस करा रहा हूँ ना, बाकी कुछ क्वेश्चन आपका ऐसे होमवर्क दूंगा प्लस होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज भी, ठीक है? तो लेट्स से अगर आप जल्दी क्वेश्चन कर लेते हो यहाँ पे, है ना, यू हैव टाइम, मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ एक स्टूडेंट समझा, तो मीनवाइल यू कैन सॉल्व अदर क्वेश्चंस आल्सो, ठीक है? You have answers here, then you can cross check also.
So you said which question?
49. Give me a minute, okay? Change the pace. Okay, yeah, question 49. Answer
B.
7. Okay. A is paired with A, will get 2. Okay, A with paired with other letter 1 1, है ना, यहाँ पे भी 2 आ जाएगा, और जब A किसी के साथ नहीं है तो that will become 0. Okay, so 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 will be 7. Clear?
So I didn't get this one.
You got it?
Or no.
Pardon, Krish?
So I didn't get this one.
You didn't get that? Okay. Just see. In the sixth pair of letters, so as shown in the figure, if A is paired with itself, okay? So when A is paired with A itself, so you'll get a 2 score, okay? So we have here A, so this will become 2, A will come 2, okay? When A is paired with other letter, let's say A is paired with B, so score will be 1. Here also with C, 1, here also 1. Clear? If there is no A, the number will be 0. Got it? So total score will be 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5 plus 2 is 7. So answer will be 7. Got it?
Yeah.
Question number 50, 50. Correct?
Sir, 23, option B.
Tanu's answer.
So it's 24, right?
No, not 24. If you are getting 24, that means you are counting that person 2 times. It is
Oh, yeah.
from the short tallest and tall from the what it is given shortest. Okay, so we are counting 2 times this na. So person is
Yeah, no,
counting.
I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Clear? Okay, बेटा आपका आंसर ठीक है. Next is question number 51. 51. We want the typing speed after m months, and it is increased by 5 words per minute each month. C. Okay. So 180 is the current speed, and it is improving by 5 per month. Okay. So now it will be in m months, the speed will increase by 5m. Okay. So answer will be 180 plus 5. Clear? Chris, clear?
Yes.
Tanshi, done?
Yes, sir.
Next, we have question number 54. In and Paul. See.
20% of the total amount, get 20% of the amount they pay.
Each, na? Each guideline. Same thing, na, actually. If you are taking 20%, na? If you're taking for individual or for total, the percentage will be same. Na?
2x plus 1, but 1% का would be 2x plus 1.
हाँ तो वो डिवाइड होकर सेम आ जाएगा होगा ना सेम होगा if you are saying कि 100 है you are taking 20% so what will the value 20 rupees ठीक है अगर 50 की 20 अगर निकालो मैं कितना आएगा 10 plus 10 20 same thing ना वो same ही actually percentage that will be respect to the total value है ना तो उसके रेस्पेक्ट में वो चेंज हो परसेंट तो परसेंटेज है ना इफ यू आर सेइंग कि मैं मार्क्स निकाल रहा हूँ कि सबके इक्वल मार्क्स आ रहे हैं है ना और अगर मैं इन दोनों का अगर परसेंटेज निकालूंगा 20% आया तो आपका मेरा भी तो 20% ही आना है क्योंकि दे आर इक्वल ना है ना या ओवरऑल भी निकालूंगा तो दैट विल आल्सो बी ठीक है तो वो आपकी चॉइस है कंसिडरिंग दिस एज टोटल एंड 20% उसका निकालोगे या इसका निकालोगे सेम है इंडिविजुअल क्लब करके तो ओवरऑल इक्वल आ रहा है ठीक है उससे आंसर नहीं मैच कर रहा है थिंक इज इट मिला आपको मिस्टेक नहीं मिले तो बोलो मैं ट्राई करूंगा ठीक है क्रिस डिड यू गेट द आंसर क्रिस
No, so just give me a minute.
see Tanush share Kane and Paul okay I'm assuming this is given as the charges for this is x dollar okay for this it will be x plus 1 so combined will be cost will be 2x plus 1 okay so they are splitting half and half so it will be 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 so they are paying 20% as tax okay tax or what it is tip okay so this will be total amount for individual plus 20% of this amount clear so I'll solve this this will become 1 by 5 so I'll take LCM so I will get 1.2x plus 0.6 okay charge paid by or bill paid by each got it Krish
Yeah.
मिला आपको बेटा मिस्टेक
Yeah.
वो समझा ना क्योंकि इंडिविजुअली निकालो आप सही सेम ही है क्योंकि रेफरेंस वैल्यूज में हाफ हो जाएगी नेक्स्ट वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 56
Sir, answer is option B.
Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Tanush, done? Chris, did you get the answer?
Yeah, I am done.
B is the correct answer. Done. Next is 59. Question of 59. Okay. C done.
Sir, I'm done.
Tansi, आ गया आपका?
Yes, sir.
Tanush, done.
Yes, sir.
So let's say we have a number of boys is x, number of girls is x, both are equal. Okay, so बाद में कितना हो गया x minus 4 boys है. So question says the girls will be equals to double the number of boys left. So x will be equals to 2 times of boys left. Solve करके x की value 8 आ गई. ठीक है? They are saying number of obviously बात है ये reduce हो जाएगी ना equal to. So this will be the double of the girls. नहीं क्या क्या आता है नहीं पता क्या क्या होता y will be आपने क्या assume किया y both are equal ना बाद में रखा होगा both are equal you only to take two values no ये reduce हो गया ना boys reduce हो गया तो girls will be more ना so number of girls will be equal to 2 times of y समझा ना x girls वो तो उतने नहीं ना कोई भी so will be equals to 2 times of this x minus 2 times of x minus clear next so next we have question number 63. of buses is n. And one bus had 3 empty seats. Okay. Tansi done?
Yes,
No?
sir.
Which option is the correct? Tansi, which option is correct? Tansi, आवाज आ रही मेरी? Tansi?
How can you help me with this?
Yes, wait a minute. So we have n number of buses, okay? So each bus can have x number of passengers, okay? So if they are full, so number of passenger will be n times of x. Got it? Clear? So but one bus has 3 empty seats, so it will be n minus 3. That will be equals to the number of passengers. Got it? Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Next question number 64. Read it very carefully and answer it. Okay, 64 is 65. Question number 64. Y equals to 0.56 times x plus. So what did it mean by 0.56? So we can check, you can check by the options, okay? Options for us are clear with it. D.
B.
C. C is the
27.2 is my estimated value.
that is the initial value. If I'm saying it's equals to 0, so that will be the initial value, no? That is constant. Right? Okay. See here, okay, see here. X represent the number of years. Okay, so let's say I'm taking number of year as 1. Okay, so value will be y equals to 0.56 times of 1 plus 27.2. Let's say I'm taking as 2 into 2 plus 27.2. I'm saying 3.56 into 3 plus 27.2. Okay, so see here. So this is constant for every year. Okay, so that means this is the initial value when the year is 0, you can say. Okay, so this is the value that is increasing actually. That increase दी y, ठीक, इसी की वजह से y बढ़ रहा है। तो देखो this is fixed value and they are number of years, clear? So can I say this will be the average increase in per year, है ना? If I multiply by 1, so with that will for 1 year, for 2 year 0.56, for 3 year, तो average क्या है per year 0.5 से क्या हो increase कर रहे हैं number of students per class. Got it? Rest?
Yeah.
Mitanshi, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear सबको? ठीक है? तो ऑप्शन से कर सकते हो। So we have now question number 65. Question number 65. Again, read the options and tell me the answer. Is the number of voters? It is 65 votes. So what is 65? D. If you read first option, the number of registered voters at the beginning of registration. No. What is the registration beginning? 3450. When time is 0, days is 0. Okay, so this cannot be the option. Second option, the number of registered voter at the end of registration date. No, we don't know the time.
So is it D?
D, yeah, correct. Very good. The total number of voters registered during new. This is the total number of voters V. Okay, so last of all, the number of voters registered each day during that. ठीक है? जैसे से मैं T की वैल्यू बढ़ाते जाऊंगा, ये each day का registration बढ़ता है. ठीक है? Clear? Comes to page number 20. So we have SAT challenge question for each session. Okay. After the homework exercise. Okay. So 2 questions are there. We will discuss both the questions. Question number 1. Okay. Try this and answer. What is the value of this after simplification? You getting something as common from both the terms. Minimum power is half, so you can take half as common. So 6, 1 plus 6 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? You can spread this into 6 power half into 6 power 1. Okay, 1 plus half is 3/2. So this will become 6 power half into 7. So 7 to 6. Clear? Okay. Yes, clear है बेटा?
Yeah.
तानसी हो गया, तनुष. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. पावर को मैंने ब्रेक किया ना. पावर्स क्या होती है? बेसिकली में तो पावर ऐड होती है, तो उसका रिवर्स किया. 4 power 1 by 5 plus into 3 power 2 by 5. That's equals to y power 1 by 5. What is the value of y? Well raised to यहाँ तक y की पावर 1 by 5 है अगर मैं let's say we have अगर base powers are same let's say we have 1 by 5 equals to p power 1 by 5 can I say equals to b? Correct. ये समझ में आया? If powers are same and terms are equal that means bases are also same. तो वो ट्राई करेंगे 1 by 5 यहाँ पे भी दिख रहा है 1 by 5 यहाँ पे भी 1 by 5 ट्राई करते बनाने की. So can I write this as 3 square की power 1 by 5? Can I multiply कर 2 by 5 आएगा. So y power 1 by 5. I can write this as 4 power 1 by 5 into 3 power 2 is 9 1 by 5 y power 1 by 5. इसको एक साथ ले bases are different powers are same. So I can write 4 into 9 the whole power 1 by 5 equals to ठीक है और फिर पावर ले सकते हैं उसे स्क्वायर करते थे. So we can say 36 power 1 by 5 equals to y power 1 by 5. So we can directly say y value will be equals to 36. Clear? Chris, eyes on me?
Yeah.
Okay. Tanush, Mitanshi,
Yes.
I think एक दो दिन में आपको वॉल्यूम्स भी मिल जाएंगे. Okay, so what you have to do is जो क्लास वर्क में मैंने करा दिए क्लास वर्क एक्सरसाइज में बाकी के क्वेश्चन यू ट्राई ओके एंड होमवर्क आपको पूरा करना है और कोई भी डाउट होगा तो विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ठीक है जो संडे को नेक्स्ट लेक्चर होगा सेम टाइमिंग पे विल डिस्कस. ठीक है लेकिन करते रहो एक्चुअली इजी है. चीजें क्या होती है बच्चे स्टूडेंट करते नहीं उस चीज को. ठीक है साथ के साथ करते हो बहुत नहीं हार्डली आई थिंक हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स भी करोगे तो क्वेश्चन इजीली हो जाए. ठीक है क्लियर फ्रेश. Okay, as you get the volume, okay, just try all the questions from the class work exercise and homework exercise. Mitanshi, you also, okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, thank you. Mitanshi, I think you can collect from head office also, na? You stayed in Khargar?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.